Okay, hi, and welcome to a video. This is really awkward because I'm with 3 people and normally I don't do Skype calls, but I am doing stuff. So, I am with Dragon, Mr. Meg, and Nella Stella. So say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Okay. Okay, anyway, so I don't know why I'm making this video. I said in my other video that I wouldn't do a random video, I'd do a mail time, but since nobody sends me any gifts, I guess that didn't work. And I did ask random jammers too, but they just like, no! So, I guess I'm not...
Too good for you.
And I think that's the dude who wanted the Tiki mask and he must have got it. No, I don't know what I'm doing. Scorching claws. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on a random person and send them a... If I... What the? What? Toffee on trade. Taffy on... What? She unbuddied me. She was my buddy. Why did you Why did you unbreak? No. Where are you? 1 second, I need to refresh.
Or they'll give it to themselves, making it look like it's...
Yeah, that's what this famous girl did yesterday. It must have been a glitch. Can you buddy me again? Okay. Kimber Outback. Nobody's in Kimber. Oh, right, I forgot I refreshed them. Well, that's nice. My headdress and ad for yours. You know, I don't know how, you know, I'm thinking of trading away my red long for 2 bad short collars and 1 good long collar. I don't know how fair that is. But I've heard red...
She sent it to me.
No.
She sent it to me at home. Someone showed.
I can get you one.
You said it used to have a orange.
Can I need it? I think I need it. This magic is I'm about to say da 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 da. I wish you just accept the trade. I don't know. Wait, I just forgot. That's what it is. Trade me good den betas. I do have a good den beta. Oh, yee! I want to trade that. Amazing crazy. OMG, no fair. What's no fair? What's no fair? Please accept, please accept. Why should you decline? I don't like you. Oh. Okay, I don't know how fair this is, but I think it's fair. What colour headdress? I went to his den and asked him and he did. What? I'm going to be my awesome penguin. My penguin is so cute. Or a good short. Oh, I need to say who to subscribe to. I forgot to. So. So subscribe to him and subscribe to this. Oh, you get it from Epic Wonders. It's like a new item. They look up because I'm like a skeleton on my tiger. What'd she say? Trade me a cream one. What'd she say? I can't even. Or 2 good ones, or 2 bad ones. Or trade me 3 ones, waiting good, 1 black and cream and a different. Just give me a reason, just a little bit, and just a sec. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. Well, this has been a very interesting video. But thank you for watching. And like I said, don't forget to subscribe to the people I showed. Anyway, bye!